What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to change this picture to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of the love shape tree, and after using the special prompt, this tree can change the shape to become the gloomy and spooky Halloween. And actually the shape will be like pumpkin, but also still showing the detail of this tree, like the branch and also the leaves in this tree. And also we can change the situation or the sky to be more gloomy and also spooky. Isn't that cool? And also spooky at the same time, right? How to create this? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to use your another AI image generator, please, it is okay guys, you can go ahead and do the experiment with it. And here we'll also share you the prompt, and you can copy it or give it a screenshot in this video or copy it from the description box. And this is the look of the home page of the Google AI Studio, and you can simply scroll down, and after that you can continue to upload the file, let's say from your favorite tree in your house or in your neighborhood, and click open. And it is better that the tree picture will only one tree like that. And after that I will put the prompt into this section. For example, this is the result. The prompt will be like this: transform this image of a heart-shaped tree into the Halloween pumpkin-shaped tree. The dense foliage of the tree should be meticulously reshaped to the form of the distinct rounded outline of the large classic orange pumpkin, complete with a subtle dark green veining or stripes on the leaves, and also suggest the pumpkin surface texture. Within the pumpkin shaped canopy of the leaf, create two clearly defined glowing yellow eyes and a jagged grinning mouth from the carved out section of the foliage, emitting a spooky flickering yellow-orange light like the jack-o'-lantern, and the carved areas are where the lights emanates from, and also not empty spaces. And also the entire environment should be transformed into the gloomy and spooky. This is the environment. And also the vibrant blue sky should be replaced with the dark overcast stormy sky with the ominous clouds. And also the lush green grass should be desaturated and appear withered or covered with a thin layer of the misty fog. This is. And also at the element like the bare twisted branches from the other unseen trees like this. And also the another detail can be the lighting should be dim, casting long dramatic shadows, emphasizing the creepy and unsettling mood guys. And after that you can continue to click around down here and kindly wait for the output. Well guys, this actually the same prompt that I used before to transform this picture to become this one. However, with this same prompt you can actually start to get the screenshot of it. You can actually still have the another output or another picture, and if you feel like not really satisfied about the result, don't worry guys, because you can also still rerun this turn or rerun this prompt into the another form. like this, and can't wait for the another output. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.